Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates on VN. First, open the VN Video Editor app on your mobile device. Once inside, look for the template section, usually found on the main screen. Here, you can easily browse through a wide variety of templates, organized by different categories, or use the search bar to find something specific that matches your creative vision. It's a great way to kickstart your video project. After finding a template you like, simply tap on it to see a quick preview. This lets you check out its visual effects, transitions, and background music. If it's a good fit, hit the Use Template button. The app will then prompt you to select the photos or video clips from your device's gallery that you want to incorporate into the template. Pick your best moments to bring the template to life. Now for the fun part, customization. You can easily replace any placeholder media with your own clips or images. Feel free to adjust the duration of each segment and reorder them to tell your story perfectly. Don't forget to personalize the text, swap out the background music, or apply different filters to match your style. Make it truly yours by adding those unique touches that reflect your creativity. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, take a moment to preview the entire video to ensure everything looks just right. When you're ready, tap the Export button. You'll then be given options to choose your preferred resolution, like 1080p, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, for the final output. After exporting, you can easily share your amazing video directly to social media or save it to your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.